Hello and welcome to video number 9. We're going to talk about auto-scheduling your content. Now, here's why you want to auto-schedule your content. As you begin to create more and more content, a lot of times you can create just using this method of simplified images with motivational quotes or words, you can create content at a very, very fast rate. And you could either do it yourself or you could hire somebody and tell them, hey, I want you to go ahead and create maybe 365 days worth of content and pay them a couple $100, but then you're left with so many pieces of content that you need to auto schedule. So as you can imagine, auto scheduling is important to make your life a lot easier, but it's not just that. As you are aware of social media sites like Pinterest, like Facebook, Instagram, and more, these sites like to see you publish daily or on a consistent basis. And not just that, as you can imagine, your audience that comes to follow you, they're looking to hear from you on a day-to-day basis. So what ends up happening is it's a win-win situation. You're winning by saving a lot of time on your end, and in addition to that, you are also giving your audience content, increasing your engagement, and thereby the social media sites will see that, and their algorithm will kick in and get you better rankings. So what kind of tools can you use? Well, let's talk about that right now. Okay, so over the years, we have tested many different social media management tools, and we've really come down to these few tools. Now, bear in mind that different social media management tools will oftentimes specialize in different social media sites. Some will have some will have others, and some will not have others. So just keep that in mind there. Hootsuite.com is one of the really good platforms for not only social media management, but for bulk auto posting. In fact, you can use their what we call bulk composer to create a CSV file of all the content and all the posts that you want to create. You simply upload that to Hootsuite and it'll auto post to your social media sites. In fact, if you want to take a look at it closer, if you go to Hootsuite.com and under Platform, you go to Scheduling. And if you click on that, you'll be sent to this page. And as you can see, it says automatically schedule posts. And you can keep that active. So you can upload and schedule hundreds of messages at once. And this is really nice to have access to. Now, one note that I want to make before I talk about the other tools is that whenever you do auto scheduling, don't base it upon your own time zone. You really want to kind of analyze your audience and analyze the people that are following you and get a good gauge of where they might be located. Now, that might be hard because some people are located everywhere, but you want to get a generic or general idea of where most people are located. So if you can hit that sweet spot where most people are up and awake and then auto schedule it to release at that moment, you're most likely going to get more engagement. So that's a little bit of a strategy that we use and that has worked really well. So just keep that in mind when you do any type of auto scheduling or even manually posting, is to figure out when people are highly engaged and what time zone that might be. So the next tool is going to be mavsocial.com. That's mavsocial.com. So this is a really good tool that allows you to auto schedule your content. So if we scroll down about 1/4 of the page, you can see here it says easily schedule and automate your posts. There's a huge amount of platforms out there that allow you to schedule and automate your posts, but we really came down to these few. So that's the second one. And of course, the third one that you can check out is later.com. That's later.com. Now, you will notice, like I said, some auto scheduling tools will focus and specialize in different social media platforms. And later.com, in this case, is specifically focused on Instagram. And if you know anything about Instagram, you know that for the most part, you have to do everything on your smartphone. But later.com helps you with that, and it allows you to schedule Instagram posts. All right, so those are the three tools that we recommend that you go ahead and check out. You don't have to do this, and we recommend actually that you start doing things manually. And as you get the hang of posting, then switch to auto scheduling.